Changing your payout method on Uniswap is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Access your wallet. Log into your cryptocurrency wallet that is connected to Uniswap. Make sure you have the necessary credentials to access your wallet. Step 2. Navigate to Uniswap. Open the Uniswap app from in your web browser. Ensure you are using the correct version of Uniswap that supports the payout method changes. Step 3. Connect your wallet. If you are not already connected, click on the Connect Wallet button. Select your wallet type and follow the prompts to connect it to Uniswap. Step 4. Go to Account Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use this RUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Update payout method. In Account Settings, find the payout method section. Choose your preferred payout method from the available options and save your changes. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method on Uniswap will be updated. Make sure to double check your settings to ensure everything is correct.